Hey everyone, today we'll explore a very useful control container. Yeeflow Flexbox Container control applies the same order, positioning, and size settings on a group of items confined within the same container. We can use it to better organize the layout of our forms and pages. Let's use the container to lay out this page. First, find the container in the control panel and drag it into the design panel. Drag the two paragraphs into this container. Then go to the Layout tab. We can drag the process bar to adjust its width. The height of a section automatically adjusts to its content. As you add controls, the section grows taller. You can also set a minute height. We can also choose default, div or link for the HTML tag. Here we link a web page and checked the new open window. Flexbox containers simplify page layouts using only one wrapping element, allowing you to group controls together in a container. This approach will empower you to create a highly sophisticated page design. In the Items column, we can modify the direction, align items, and justify content to optimize the layout. Use the Direction option to determine the direction in which the contained elements will appear. Items can be positioned horizontally, vertically, and in reverse order. Use Align items to control how the contained items will align on their center axis, depending on the direction chosen in the Direction field. Use Justify content to control how the contained items will align on their center axis, depending on the direction chosen in the Direction field. It also helps distribute the space left over in the container between the items. Next, we go back to the demo page to see what it can do and how it can be used in a particular scenario. We can also change the gap between the two paragraphs. That's all the basic layout of the container. To spruce up the page, we can modify the background and border radius. In addition to making changes to the container as a whole, we can also make changes to individual controls within the container. For example, we can click on a text editor individually and see a container child appear in its advanced column. Here we can modify his individual align, order and size. In addition to text and text that can be organized within the container, images and text are also possible. Next, we create a new container and drag the picture and text into it. Modify this container in the same way. Containers have nesting capabilities. Nest one container inside another for greater flexibility and complex layouts. We create a new container and drag the above two containers into it. Set the width of each of the two containers. Modify the minimum height, direction, align items, and justify content of the large container. Lastly, modify the background color. Finally, we can preview it in desktop, tablet, and mobile mode. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more information. See you next time.